Welcome back, everybody. I guess we're gonna have to deal with the echo for now because I bought one of these for as a mic adapter for my cell phone because yes, I'm still recording on that. I have other cameras, but quite honestly, the ease of use of my cell phone is like, did I say that right? Anyway, it's a lot easier to use for me right now, so I'm just using it, and none of my other cameras have external mic inputs, which I think is freaking ridiculous. I like using good microphones, and well, this was another waste of money. I guess this is going to be the first official episode of my new series that I'm going to title, instead of Do It Yourself Wednesdays, it's going to be Do It Your Freaking Self. Do it your freaking self! I want you to do it as best you can. But what inspired this video was I bought a 3D printer. Now I need somewhere to put it. So all of this is getting redone. Let's get started. As with anything I make, the first thing I do is make a drawing of what I need, what I think I need, and how I want to make it, and create it, and make it whole, and mine, like this. Once I have all the measurements, I then lay it out on a piece of graph paper. Each one of these squares on this indicate 2 inches. I then measure everything out perfect. Next thing I do is lay out on the same type of grid paper 5 sheets of MDF, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I will break it down with the proper measurements of all the pieces that I need for my desk. This way, I don't waste material. I can actually see where my cuts need to be, and I can reposition pieces to make everything fit and get the best possible use out of each piece of MDF. Then I take this and I transfer it to actual MDF. Same line, same measurements. this is it. Got the music station here, my BM800 mic, and Icicle preamp, MIDI keyboard, my music PC down there, gaming entertainment area here, with big giant cubbies, because I like big cubbies and I cannot lie. Up here we got the 3D printer, and then here I have the printer. So if you want a paper print, you do that. If you want to scan, you just slide it out on the drawer, slide it back in. 2-tier shelf here. This is a 3D printer filament that is going to go up here. I need to build a shelf here. I haven't done that yet. I knew I wanted it, I just haven't built it yet. It's going to go here. The filament's going to sit across the top of it. Then I can feed whatever I want to in the 3D printer. Over here, I'm going to put probably a 2 or 3 tier smaller shelf, like this big, maybe that deep, right there, just to have some extra show-off room. There's a drawer right here, nice size. Supposed to have been another drawer over here, but I might do that, I might not. All right, there you have it. The first official episode of Do It Your Freaking Self. It's completed. So, like I said, other than building the filament holder for the 3D printer and getting me a shelf built for that area over there, I guess that's it. And this project definitely opened my eyes to how out of practice I am on designing and building things. Like, well, designing is like simple, but building is a different story. So it definitely opened my eyes and made me realize that I need to do this more often. Even if it's just small projects for fun or whatever, I need to start doing this kind of stuff again. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Parts lists and prices will be in the description below. Any questions, let me know. Did that rhyme? I don't know. Anyway, talk to you soon. Yeah, that's over, thank God.